Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Got something pretty special in this one today. As you can see, all the pink foam is down here in Livingston and Livingston, Montana, that is. And I've got all the backdrop pretty much cleaned up from the last layout. Still got a little bit of paper there that I want to get off, but more or less it's already been smoothed out, painted, smoothed out and sanded. And I got a package in the mail today. So this is what I've been waiting on because I didn't want to lay anything down until the backdrop was complete. So let me set the camera down and we're going to open this bad boy up and see what it is. So I got my got the backdrop ordered, and I've been waiting to share the information about it until I seen it. So we're actually going to look at this together and see what this looks like. Oh wow. Wow, this is going to look so good. So good. Wow. Well, guys, I've got to share where I bought this from because I'm impressed. Let me see if I can get this flattened out where you guys can see it. Let me grab the camera and we'll take a look. Well, here it is, guys. This is it hanging up. And I've got to say, I am so impressed. The quality of this is unbelievable. I'm just blown away. This is exactly what I was looking for. So as you can tell, it's 24 inches by 96 inches, which I wanted it 2 foot tall because I'm going to build a valance and I'm not sure the height of that yet. So I wanted to make sure it was tall enough, and then I went 8 foot long. So as you know, my from wall to wall is 24 feet, and they could print 24 foot, but I just didn't think I would be able to hang it without it wrinkling and going crooked. So I opted for 3 8-foot sections. I think that will hang a lot easier. Yeah, there'll be some seams, but I'm gonna tell you what, this company, so first of all, let me grab the box. The name of the company is Railroad Backdrops. I'm not sure the exact website. I'll post that at the end of the video with a phone number so you can call them if you want. But I told them what I was looking for. I'm looking for something out west, Montana. And this is what we came up with. So they had this piece here, but I told them I wanted it 24 foot long. So they made 3 8-foot sections, 24 foot long. And I told them I did not want the mountains to look the same. So they photoshopped and changed the mountain scene all the way down. So it's going to look like one big mountain range. I'm just blown away. So anyway, that's it hanging up. I'm going to get my wife and we're going to hang this thing and see what it looks like on the wall. I did go with this. The backing has an adhesive on it, so it's just basically peel and stick, which I like. I don't have to use spray glue, which is really toxic. But yeah, that's it. There's my name, 24 by 96, Poly SA, and panel 3, because I actually have 3 panels, panel 1, panel 2. The other good thing about this company is they have a lot of different skies you could choose from. So you can choose the foreground, and then you can go in and choose whatever sky that you want. I wanted something a little subtle. I didn't want your eye going to the clouds, so I didn't want dramatic skies. Man, this is, I hope the camera's doing it justice, because it is absolutely stunning. But yeah, let's get this thing hung, and we'll be right back. Well guys, here is the finished product. As you can tell, it's a huge difference. What a dramatic change. I still got to do the last section, but I've got an idea around the fuse box over there. So that's gonna take a bit of time. But I did get 2 8-foot sections down, so 16 feet is done. And I gotta tell you, I am super happy. What a dramatic change. So it was really easy to go down. I would recommend 2 people for sure, just to keep it straight. Now, on mine at the bottom, I do have a gap here, which is okay because I'm actually going to contour the foam up a bit and blend it into the backdrop, just so it's not a flat layout. So I'm going to have a little bit of a rise right there, so that will take care of the gap all the way down. But holy cow, what a difference. So definitely check these guys out. I'll put a link at the end of the video if you're interested. Really easy to deal with. You know, my only complaint, and this is really a dumb complaint, I guess, is they shipped it signature required. And obviously I'm not at home during the daytime, so but I mean, really, it was nothing. I called the UPS guy and he actually met me, so it all worked out well. But man, what a difference. So hope you guys can see it in the light. I've got a few spots that I need to iron out. I see a little bubble, but the bubbles work out really, really easy. So I'm gonna get this matted down a little bit more. But yeah, I'm super happy. So like I said, I'll put the link at the end of the video. Check them out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.